Part C1, your colleague used sulfuric acid instead of hydrochloric acid. So change the acid, and we need to give 3 other reasons for any similarities and differences between your results and theirs. Well, what you've got to think about is things that might be similar first, I think. So, similarities and differences. So we use the same shape of cylinder, same cylinder, basically same size, shape, surface area. So same shape, size of cylinder. What else did we do the same? We used the same type of agar. So there's all the things that are the same first. Same sodium hydroxide, phenolphthalein, volume, concentrations, anything. So same sodium hydroxide or indicator. The same, for that you could have same concentration, same volume. We use the same temperature, same range of acids, acid concentrations, and probably volumes as well. Anything different? So there might be a different pH with the acids, possibly. Different chemical reactions. Basically trying to come up with things that are similar and different, but there's lots of similarities there to cover your 3 marks. Your colleague observed that the agar cylinder became smaller in the sulfuric acid. Why? So it became smaller because the acid is reacting with it. It's very concentrated, so the acid is very concentrated, and that corrodes or dissolves the agar, reacts with the agar, so it reacts, dissolves, corrodes, anything like that, the agar. Part D, your colleague predicts the rate of diffusion in concentrations above 2.5 will be faster than lower concentrations. Comment on whether you think their prediction is correct and use your colleague's results to support your answer. Right, where's our colleague's results? There's our colleague's results. And we had... So, what we're supposed to do here is, do we think that if we had above 3, so we had 3.0 there, do we think that's going to get even faster? And if we have a look at, for example, our results, if we had 3 up here, do we think that's going to get faster? Well, I think the answer we might suggest first is yes. I mean, just look at the results, they're going up. So probably they would go up a bit further. So we could say that the data shows increase of rate from 0.0003 to 0.0072. So this should increase further. So there's no reason for it not to increase. No reason for it not to increase further. We could also, so that's one way of looking at it. We could say we just mentioned the agar shrinking and corroding above 2.5, so that might not help. So we could say the pattern may not continue because the agar shrunk. Plus we can also say, we do not know for certain. We're always guessing, so do not know for certain, as there's no evidence, there's no data above 2.5, as there is no evidence or data above 2.5 molar acid in either set of results.